Hello everyone, my name is ATP and welcome to a new episode of the Testing Indicator series, a new series on my channel where I test different trading indicators on thousands of trades, always on the same sample and conditions using Forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodities and stocks to discover which ones are the best and at the same time provide you without any clickbait with real results and in-depth statistical analysis about each one, something that you have never seen before on other YouTube channels. Let's get started. Before starting our tests on today's indicator, which by the way is an improved version of the super trend called HalfTrend, an indicator that prints the buy and sell signals on your charts, I will remind you about the trading sample and conditions that I will use in every video from this series. For the backtesting process, I will be using a special trading bot that I created only for this series, which will give us the possibility of quickly testing any indicator we want on a big sample size in seconds with real and proven results, and any one of you will be able to use it and confirm every result. In the last episode, I had 5 indicators available to test, and now I have 10, and from week to week, new indicators will be added to this special trading tool. Later on the video, I will tell you how you can access and use this tool as well. Then, for every indicator, I will backtest it in 3 different timeframes: the 30-minute, the 1 hour, and the daily one. On every time frame, I will use the data sample from 2022 and 2023 with all the available trading sessions with an efficient and diverse portfolio of assets from different markets, which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock, being the data sources the most used ones. I will present you the results of every asset individually and also together, because for every backtest I will create a trading journal with all the trades given by the indicator in the 3 different timeframes. The risk management will also be the same one I explained in the first episode of this series. The link to it is in the description. And to filter losing signals from the indicators, I will always use a 200 period exponential moving average to only take trades that are in the same direction as the overall trend. And so these are our conditions, which were exactly the ones used to test the Indian oscillator in the last episode. Let's then start the analysis of today's indicator. As usual, I am on TradingView, the platform where all the magic is going to happen. If you want to enjoy a $30 bonus when creating your free account, you can use my link that is down below. So, before the backtests, I will quickly present you the HalfTrend, which all of you can use by clicking on the Indicators tab and searching for it. As I told you, this indicator is free to use. The HalfTrend is a trend indicator calculated based on the average true range indicator. It is very similar to the super trend, but uses a different calculation method based on market highs and lows, and in theory it is more accurate. It is formed by this line that changes from blue to red according to the market's trend, so it can be used to filter fake signals from other indicators, and in addition it also displays blue and red arrows that can be used as entry signals, which is the way we will use this indicator today. A long position will be taken if a blue arrow appears on the chart, and a short position will be taken in the case of the red arrows. Simple as that. After inserting the HalfTrend indicator into my trading bot, I can quickly choose it and play with its settings to optimize it, because the bot calculates the results in seconds. But for this backtest, I will use the setting 4 for the amplitude. And you already know that I'm going to use the 200 exponential moving average as a filter indicator. And so I will check this option here. As you can see, all the backtesting conditions are the ones I have defined, and the trading bot not only displays every valid trade on the charts, but also gives me the statistics about each asset I want to backtest down below on the Strategy Tester tab. And because I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot takes, and that's what I'm going to do to create the trading journals. I will speed up the video, but you can slow it down on the YouTube settings. While you watch the backtest being carried out, imagine saving hours of time and energy by testing hundreds of indicators in just seconds across any market with proven results. That will be life-changing, right? With full access to this trading bot for a lifetime and weekly updates available through my Patreon, you can take your trading game to the next level. Simply click on the shopping option to find more information and important links. But don't wait too long. As new indicators are added every week, the value of this tool will only increase. While its current price is symbolic, similar tools on other websites can cost thousands of dollars. Plus, with new indicators added weekly, you are investing in a tool that will continue to grow in value. By the end of the year, it will feature hundreds of different indicators for you to explore. Seize this opportunity and secure your access now before it's too late. So, after inserting all the trades on my trading journal, here I got the results of the HalfTrend indicator on the 30-minute time frame, here on the 1-hour one, and next to it on the daily time frame. In the 30-minute one, after more than 4,000 trades, it achieved a win rate of 48.75% and a net loss of 144%. Here you can check the results of every single asset, and by looking at the equity chart, we can verify that in this time frame the HalfTrend in these conditions is not profitable. Then, in the 1-hour time frame, things look a little bit different. After 2,000 trades, the HalfTrend indicator achieved a win rate of about 51% and a total profit of 131%. Here you can find the average results and trades per year. With a profit factor of 1.1 and an average drawdown of about 17%, the strategy in this time frame got a consistent equity curve with a max drawdown of about 50% that happened 2 times. Again, here you can check the individual results of each asset in this time frame, which are profitable and with some consistency. And finally, on the daily time frame, after 92 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 50% and a total net profit of 1.83%. So a break-even result that can also be noticed when looking at the equity chart, which is flat. So overall, this indicator in these conditions proved that it is not very consistent. When comparing it with the last episode 1, which was the Andean oscillator, we can notice that the Andean was much better in the same conditions, and so it will stay at the top of our ranking system. If you would like to access this document with the ranking sheet, you can do it for free. The link is in the description. If you think you have an indicator that can beat the Andean oscillator, you can share it with me in the comments or on my free Discord community, and probably you will see it in a future episode of this series. So do not forget to subscribe to don't miss any video of this series. For those who would like to work with me on a special project, from creating custom strategies to carrying out statistical and robustness studies, you can find all my available services on my website algotradepro.org. And that's it. Be well, thank you, and I see you in the next episode.